Once you know this, you will never blow a balloon again. It is very tedious to blow balloons. Some people even tend to suffocate doing this. Another annoying thing about blowing is that sometimes the mouth of the balloon fills with saliva, making you slip when closing them, or worse, you have to fill them again. Today, I will teach you an incredible trick that will help you fill the balloons in a few seconds in a quick and easy way. And the best of all is that when you have to fill a balloon, you won't have to make a lot of effort blowing. So let's start right away and see how this trick is done. The first thing you have to do is get a balloon that is normally used for parties. With the help of a scissor, we are going to cut a small piece of balloon. I would like to know from which country you are watching me to send you a greeting in a next video. Today's greeting is for Morit Moreira from Ecuador. With this size, it will be perfect, and you will see why. The next step is to get a used plastic container. This can be water or soda. Now we take the lid and make a hole right in the middle. I'm using a soldering iron, but if you don't have this instrument, you can also do it with a nail. Once the hole is made, we place the piece of balloon on top. Next, we will use tape or adhesive tape and glue on both ends of the lid to fix the balloon well. Now the next thing is to take the plastic bottle that we had reserved and in the same way make a hole in the middle of the bottle, right in this part that I show on the screen. The size of the hole must be medium. Then we will close the mouth of the bottle with the lid to which we made the hole. And that's how it should be. Esto que hicimos es un compresor de aire manual que te ayudará a llenar los globos para las fiestas. And to show you that it works, I will place a balloon right on the head of the bottle. By pressing the hole that is in the middle of the bottle, the air inside the bottle will press the lid, expelling air through the hole. Then it is retracted, recharging the bottle again. By repeating this several times, the air of the balloon will end up filling. A very simple trick that will help you a lot. From today, you will never try blowing balloons again, nor will you waste your saliva.